Hey everyone, in this video we'll be talking about how to build an email list with Aweber. Now what Aweber does is it houses all of the email addresses and names you collect, and it allows you essentially to build a database of contacts that are coming from your blog posts, reading your blogs, and end up joining your newsletter. The reason you do want to do this is because whenever you post a new blog post, you'll be able to email that out to your newsletter list. And that's going to increase the amount of traffic coming to your site, going to help you brand yourself, and just get them familiar with who you are and what you do. Now, another reason we want to build an email list is because when we do affiliate promotions or you start coming out with your own products, you can market to them at will just by sending an email. And hopefully you'll be able to send it out to hundreds or even thousands of people whenever you do a new launch. Now what you'll want to do is obviously set up an account. You can get an account for $1 for the first month if you click the link below this video, and then just go ahead and go through the sign up process and get signed into the account. Alright, so when we log in, we'll have to set up the email list first. You're going to do that by going to this click and manage list button right here, and then click create a new list. Now when you click that create list button, there's this little wizard, and Aweber will guide you through the setup process of everything you have to do. There's also little video tutorials you can watch. We'll go ahead in this video and set up a quick list and show you how to add the forms to your website though. So you just want to give it a basic name, quick description, make sure the from name and email address is filled out, click Save Settings, and then you'll want to add in a company name. Typically I just use the website, add in the website URL, and then if you want you can upload a logo right here. But then drop down, click Save Settings again. Now what it's going to do is bring you to the confirmation message. So what happens when somebody joins your email list is they are automatically sent this message, and this message just confirms that they do want to join your list. They'll open the email and then they'll be able to click a link right here, and that's what's called the double opt-in. Now the first opt-in happened when they signed up on the form. The second opt-in came from them clicking this link. And the reason we want to do double opt-in is because it cleans up the list, ensures that they do want to be on the list, and that they do want to receive your newsletter and blog posts. Also is really good to have that just because of the canned spam laws. So if you want to change the subject line, you can do that. I like to put the first name in it so it's a little more personalized. And that first name fix is just a little piece of code that tells Aweber to put in whatever name they entered into your form. You can change this out real quick. Just make it the URL of your website. And then put a little signature in here and just say thanks, and then sign your name. You do want to have this require opt-in on forms to on. And then for the success page, for now we can just set that to the home page of the website. Click Save Settings. Now the next step is just to create a quick welcome email, and that will be sent immediately after they click the link in that confirmation email we just set up. So just click the Do This Step button, and it'll bring you to the email editor. Now if you click this little personalize button here, you can add in their first name automatically. So right there, if someone named Susie added in, it'll put Susie right there, and then we can just type out the rest of the subject line. Now in this subject line, you just want to say welcome to my newsletter, welcome to the ericwelk.com newsletter, insert your URL obviously. But this message is just about, saying thanks for signing up, this is who I am, this is what you can expect. And then right here is where you actually edit the email. You can change out the template. You want to find one that matches the theme of your blog. You can also just do the plain one, which is what we'll use for this demonstration. So just load that up. You can close out that notification. Delete that message and just type something out real quick. Then just type out a little closing in your name. Click Next down here. Save and exit. And that step is all done. So the next part is actually creating the web form where they can type in their email and address on your website. In this little wizard down here, it'll say create a web form. Just click do this step, and it'll bring us to the web form editor. Now up here they have all kinds of templates you can choose from. You do want to pick something that fits the style of your website. So click through some of these, kind of find one that matches the coloring and would look good within your website. We'll just use this one real quick. A lot of them have different coloring options, so you can choose a color scheme that matches your website. Click Load Template. And then this header is where you're going to put the headline. So you want to put in exactly why they should sign up. It doesn't have to be anything real complicated, just something nice and simple. You want to say sign up now or join our newsletter, giving them a specific instruction to actually type their name and email into the box, and then you want to include a few words about what they'll receive for signing up. Click save, and then you want to get rid of this little email marketing by Aweber thing. That's just a little ad they throw in there. But then go to step 2. You can change out the name of your web form. On the thank you page, this is the page they're going to see after they click the submit button. I usually click the open this in a new window so that they aren't just redirected to the page and they do stay on the website. And then it's good to do the smart video version because that provides a short video just showing them to go to their email and click that confirmation link in the email they're sent. Click Save Web Form, and then hit Go to Step 3. Now what you want to do here is just click this I will install my form, grab this little piece of code, this JavaScript, and then copy that. And then we'll go back over to our website. We'll want to go to the widgets area on the menus. So go to Appearance, and then click on the submenu that says Widgets. And in order to install this web form, we'll want to drag a text widget over to the sidebar, and then just paste in that little code you got. And then just click Save. And close that out, and then we'll check out the website to see how it looks. So you can see we have this web form now, and that is integrated right into Aweber. I do recommend that you stick it near the top of the menu because you do want people to see that, you want them to sign up, and you do want to keep on joining that email list. So make sure it's right at the top where they can see it nice and easy.